The 2018 Rolls Royce Phantom is a masterpiece of luxury and craftsmanship, and its interior is a testament to the brand's commitment to opulence and comfort. Step inside, and you're immediately enveloped in a world of sophistication and elegance. The dashboard of the 2018 Phantom is a marvel of design, ingeniously reconfigured to resemble an art gallery. The structure itself exudes an air of permanence, akin to Mount Rushmore or the Pyramids of Giza. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy, Eleanor, stands proudly at the prow, guiding the way forward. The dashboard features an expanse of toughened glass that runs the full width, providing a perfect space to display art pieces or personal mementos. The seats are upholstered in the finest leather, with options for customization to suit individual tastes. The rear seats are slightly angled to facilitate conversation without straining your neck, and the doors close themselves with a reassuring thud. Push a button in the C-pillar, and plush, carpeted ottomans motor out to meet your feet, adding to the sense of luxury and relaxation. Rolls-Royce has created what it calls a detoxifying environment within the Phantom. The interior is designed to be a sanctuary from the outside world, with every detail meticulously crafted to provide maximum comfort and serenity. The door rests are inspired by J-class yachts, and the rear occupants can enjoy what Rolls-Royce refers to as the embrace, where they are absorbed into the car rather than just sitting in it. The Phantom's interior is devoid of any unseemly touchscreens. Instead, Rolls-Royce has retained the rotary controller and traditional climate control wheels, which are labeled in red and blue. This design choice serves as a reminder that the tech arms race often leads to unnecessary complexity, whereas Rolls-Royce focuses on timeless elegance and functionality. Every item of switchgear in the Phantom is made of metal, adding to the sense of luxury and durability. The car also features heated seats, heating for the front door armrests, lower C-pillar, and rear side armrests, ensuring that every touchpoint is warm and inviting. In conclusion, the interior of the 2018 Rolls-Royce Phantom is a testament to the brand's dedication to luxury, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. It offers a serene and opulent environment that is unmatched in the world of luxury automobiles, making every journey a truly memorable experience.